This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have access. Log into the Go Classes Rank Predictor and confirm your API key or credentials. Once done, import or paste the class roster and the historical scores that the model requires. Make sure to set the grading schema and target population first, because the predictor uses those parameters to normalize inputs. Then, choose the cohort you want to analyze and hit the initial preprocess button to validate data. This prepares everything for modeling. Now you configure the prediction. Pick the prediction window, choose between baseline or adjusted models, and set weighting for assignments versus exams. Once configured, normalize inputs, scale scores, impute or exclude missing values, and define feature columns like attendance or participation. Then kick off the run and monitor the processing logs. Pay attention to warnings about outliers or dropped rows. If you see performance metrics during the run, note them to compare model variants later. Finally, interpret the ranked outputs. Read the rank list alongside confidence intervals and class distribution charts so you understand model certainty. Once satisfied, export the CSV or save to your dashboard, and if necessary, adjust classification thresholds for desired sensitivity. Make sure to document parameter settings for reproducibility. If things go wrong, check for data drift or input anomalies, correct the source data, and rerun the pipeline. Doing that fixes most unexpected rank shifts or low confidence issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.